welcome back again to my channel. In our today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to lose weight fast. No dieting, no exercise. In fact, I was trying to try most of my clothes on. They were no longer fitting me, but I'm gonna get there. Those clothes will definitely fit me, and I really hope you guys will enjoy this video. And if you do, please don't forget to click the like button for me. Drop your comments, tell me what you think about this thing. Have you tried it before? Okay, if you've not, try it and tell me the result. I'm waiting. You take it 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at night, or the way I do is, if I boil it, I take it all through the day. As in, I boil it with like 3 cups of water and I take it all through the day. That is, any opportunity I have, I just take it. Yes, so this is it. One more thing that I noticed about this drink is that I was actually having cough, as in I was having cough before I started taking this drink, but that within 2 days that I started taking this drink, that cough disappeared. So that's another thing. As I'm doing this weight now, I'm in day 4. Let me show you guys my weight. Okay, 85.60. Am I really 85? Is it working? Yay! I can't believe this. 85. Okay. Woo! 84. This thing is working. This thing is working, honestly. Alright. The uses of ginger. Ginger acts as for weight loss. It can also act for dehydration or indigestion, especially when you have stomach upset. You can take ginger and it will soothe you. Just like I said in my other videos, you notice that after taking this ginger lemon water, I noticed that the cough I was having disappeared. I don't know if it's from the ginger or from the lemon, but you know, ginger is a very good recipe to be in our meal, in our everyday meal. Yeah, so I'm peeling the ginger right now. I'm slicing this ginger right now. I had to slice it very well, as tiny as possible, you know, so that I can get out I'm the chopping juice it as if you want, tiny as possible to enable it bring out depending, all so the that you nutrients get out in it. every juice from inside it. Okay, then now the lemon, look at it. Yes, the lemon, you know, lemon contains citric acid, and citric acid is one of the source of that helps in the production of vitamin C in the body, and we all know what vitamin C does. It heals, like prevents recovery, does help in the healing of wound, fast healing of wound, and a lot more. I have a video of vitamin C. This is it, guys. This is it. It's ready for
drinking. Okay.
830.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, thank you so much. Bye.